Hello, dear traders. Welcome to our weekly review of SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy signals. This week closed profitably for us. We executed 14 trades in total, with 12 being profitable and 2 closed at a loss. Currently, we have one open sell position on the Australian dollar. Let's examine this week's trading in detail. We're looking at the hourly time frame on the Australian dollar. Each vertical line represents one trading day. We've marked last week's trading range with a gray rectangle. Looking at the overall situation, the Australian dollar spent the whole week in consolidation. Price tested local highs 3 times and local lows twice, but ultimately closed in the middle of the price channel. Regarding our trades, we mainly bought near the bottom of this price channel and sold closer to the middle or upper part. Let's switch to a smaller time frame to examine our trading more closely. On Monday night, we averaged a sell position after the market broke a local high. After we opened the trade, the market tried twice more to break through local highs, but by mid-Tuesday, it pulled back, allowing us to close the position profitably. After an impulsive rally, the price returned to local lows, and at the start of the correction, we opened a buy trade. Later that night, price formed new local lows, and when it retested them, we opened another buy position, thus averaging our position. Both trades were then closed profitably. Since the price had risen over 450 pips without correction at this point, we opened a sell trade. We then averaged it with another trade after breaking local highs. After a brief consolidation, the price declined, allowing us to close both trades profitably. However, the decline continued, and after breaking previous local lows, we opened another buy trade, which we later averaged when testing the previous day's lows. The subsequent correction allowed us to close both trades profitably. We then opened a sell trade, averaged it, and after a brief correction, closed it profitably. As the market was quite oversold at the time of closing, the price fell over 400 pips without correction, allowing us to open another buy trade, which we successfully closed the same day. We also opened another sell trade on Friday, which remains active. Total profit for the week was $21. Now let's move to the British pound. On this pair, the price broke the previous local high and formed a new resistance level. Additionally, a clear local support level formed this week, indicating the price has entered a consolidation phase. Within the established price channel, the upper and lower boundaries as well as the midpoint are clearly visible. Regarding our trading, on Monday, we increased our sell position carried over from Friday and closed it Monday evening on the correction. On Tuesday, the price gradually declined after the previous rally, but low volatility didn't provide good entry opportunities. On Wednesday night, we took advantage of an impulsive decline to open a buy trade, which we closed profitably within a few hours, if you happened to be awake at that time. Price then formed a trading channel with support and resistance zones. When resistance was retested, we opened a sell trade and closed it profitably on the subsequent correction. Total profit on the British pound for the week was $34. If you enjoyed this trading review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join our Telegram community. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.